I want to demonstrate to you how to get OpenClaw on your Android using this new app called Claw Launcher. So I click on it, and let me just go back to the beginning, because this is once you reach the end, then you just switch on OpenClaw. So what it does, it basically guides you through and installs for you OpenClaw onto your Android. So first, it kind of gets you a terminal, and for those of you already done this or know how to do this because you're tech savvy, I promise you, it will break. Your OpenClaw will break, and you'll have to keep fixing it. But with this setup, once you've done all of this and do I've completed, and then you do all the settings, you click on open settings and give the permissions and everything. You just click on app permissions, and then you just click additional permissions, and then you just allow. And once you do all of this, just click on done, and then you run these commands, and then you do this, display over other apps, continue, and that's it. Once you've done this, you're basically ready to use OpenClaw on your phone. And there's insane advantages of using OpenClaw on your mobile phone and not on a computer. One of them is the cheap running cost. You can leave it on all the time. If you have a spare old Android phone lying about, this is perfect. You just leave it charging, and then you have an OpenClaw server which can't hack you. Do you know what I mean? And then basically and then once you've done that, you just click on go to next step, and this is what you get. You get your link, and then when you click on start OpenClaw, it literally, you can just start, and then everything else, this is the screen that will come up every time you open the app now. You'll never have to do the installation again. And basically, the reason why I love this so much is because when you, let's say, go to OpenClaw, and then you ask it for something, like for example, if I ask it, hey, tell me where else I should post to get the word out, it has an inbuilt speech to text. Like, you don't have to use Whisper, OpenAI's Whisper. It uses the phone's speech to text, and then it actually speaks back to me using the phone's text to speech. So you're going to hear a little summary.
Absolutely. To get the word out, post on Hacker News first for the biggest impact. I've also sent you a list of other excellent tech communities and subreddits to target.
So as you can see, it gave me a little summary by speech, and the actual main content chunk is a lot more lengthy. So that's only possible on your phone, which is insane. And last but not least, stop at any time by pressing the stop button, and that's it.